In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video on Ecwid, enhancing your online store with engaging multimedia content for your visitors. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to customize their Ecwid store and make their product listings more dynamic and interactive. First, let's start with the basics. Navigating to Ecwid's website, simply type Ecwid into your search bar or input the URL directly to reach the Ecwid homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click Login to proceed. For those of you who have used Google to sign up or prefer the ease of Google's one-click login, choose the Sign In with Google option. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one associated with your Ecwid store. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Ecwid control panel. This is the nerve center of your Ecwid store, where you can control everything from product listings to site design. Speaking of design, let's navigate to the part where you can start personalizing your site. Hover your mouse over the website section, then click on Design. This action takes us a step closer to inserting that video. In the design settings, look for the Site Content section. This is where you can control what content appears on your site, including adding videos. Click on Edit to start editing your site content. Particularly, we're interested in enhancing your site's cover. Navigate to the Cover section and you'll see an option to Add Button. Upon clicking this, you'll be prompted to add a title to this new button. This is where you can get creative, using action-driven language to entice visitors to click, such as watch our story or learn more about us. Now it's time to link this button to your video. Select the Scroll to Site section option, which might seem a bit confusing at first because we're not actually scrolling to a different section, but rather linking to a video. Fear not. This is where our creative workaround comes into play. You'll need the link to the video you wish to embed in your Ecwid store. For now, let's use a YouTube video as an example. Go to YouTube, find the video you have in mind, and copy its URL. Back in the Ecwid editor, paste the video link you've just copied into the field that became available when you chose the Scroll to Site section option. This clever trick redirects your button click to open the video URL, effectively embedding the video into your Ecwid store experience. Finally, with your video link securely in place, it's time to publish your changes. Click the Publish button located at the top or bottom of the editor. This makes all your carefully made changes live to anyone who visits your Ecwid store. And there you have it. You've just enriched your online store by embedding a video, making your Ecwid site not just a place to shop, but an engaging experience for your customers. Videos can enhance customer engagement, provide valuable product information, or tell the unique story of your brand, setting you apart in the digital marketplace. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. By now you should have a good grasp on how to add a video to your Ecwid store, enhancing the shopping experience for all your visitors. Feel free to revisit any steps if you need to, and experiment with different types of content to see what works best for your store. Good luck and happy selling.